So what you're going to need, spice mixture here, pinch of methi leaves, a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala and half a teaspoon of cumin. Here we have a tablespoon of our mixed spice, your pre-cooked lamb, 1 chopped white onion, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, handful of coriander leaves chopped, tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, some pure butter ghee and 1 tomato chopped. We're on a medium heat, 2 chef spoons, vegetable oil, in with that the ginger garlic paste, and your onions. Cook those off for a few minutes. Okay, after a few minutes, you don't want it to discolour, just get a little bit of the moisture out of them. We'll add the tomato paste. Cook that off for a few minutes. Now we're going ahead and add all the spices. Also a pinch of coriander leaves. Stir it in. Smells amazing. Don't let anything burn. Add a bit of water if you need to. Now you go ahead and add your lamb, however much you want. Just about for one person, this one. Get all that lamb coated up in the spices and the ginger garlic. Now for your base gravy, 1 chef ladle there. Stir it all in together. Don't forget your salt. Cook that down for about 3 minutes. Also a little tip, guys, if you prefer vegetables in your curry, or if you're vegetarian, you can try, especially with chunky vegetables, dress them with a tiny bit of balsamic vinegar, season them with a little bit of garlic powder and put them in the oven for about 4 or 5 minutes, high heat, get a nice little char on the outside, and when they're done, add them to the curry 2 minutes before the cook. They come out absolutely beautiful. Adds another little layer of flavour to the curry as well. So yeah, there's a little tip for that. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, 1 more chef spoon, base gravy. What we're going to do now is move this to caramelise on another hob. And then in a separate pan, we're going to add our ghee butter. About a tablespoon of that. Let that warm up. Now go ahead and add your garlic. And 2 cloves chopped. Cook those for about a minute. Right, they're cooking nicely now for about a minute. Add a touch more. Only a tiny bit of the tomato paste. Now add your tomatoes. going to saute these off for about 2 minutes. Come and have a look at this. Beautiful. Okay, these tomatoes have been done about 2 minutes now. You don't want to cook them all the way through, you still want to have a little bite to them. So I'm going to turn both pans off and we will serve. So first up, that lovely Rogan Josh. Okay, with that caramelisation in there. And then finish with your sauteed tomatoes. Garlic and the ghee. This is an absolute gorgeous dish. Finished with a dash of coriander. I always make a bloody mess.